Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we will be taking a look at some leaks and rumors of iOS 6 from before it was released. Let's get into it. Prior to the release of iOS 6, there were a lot of accurate leaks and a lot of false rumors about its features. YouTuber Jake Chasin uploaded a video on June 2nd, 2012 titled iOS 6 Beta Build 10b24. In the video, he demoed several apparent upcoming features. In the video, he showed Siri on the iPod Touch, which did not release but only for the iPod 5th generation. While in the video, he demoed it on the iPod Touch 4. Then he showed the status bar battery percentage on the iPod Touch, then an iStore app that apparently combined the iTunes Store and the App Store, then a landscape multitasking, then a new dictionary app, which obviously didn't happen, and advanced spotlight search. But the problem with this leak is that it is fake. The video was uploaded on June 2nd, 2012, but it showed off a lot of features that were never released. Apple would not get rid of all of these major features just days before it was set to be released. The uploader of the video also turned off the like count and the comments. Another faked feature that was rumored for iOS 6 was a watercolor map design. Please note that this was not mentioned in the video previously shown. However, there were accurate leaks of Facebook integration, iCloud Safari tabs, VIPs in Mail, Siri on the iPad, and 9to5 Mac even made a render of that before iOS 6 was released, and Do Not Disturb mode. That's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and bye.